Unlock the power of advanced AI in your own software by seamlessly integrating the Deepseek R1 model right into your local development environment. The first crucial step is to ensure you have the necessary prerequisites. This typically involves having a Python environment set up and installing the required libraries for interacting with local large language models, often through API calls or specific model loading frameworks. Next, you'll need to obtain the Deepseek R1 model files. These are usually downloaded either directly from the Deepseek repository or a compatible model hub. Place these model files in a designated directory within your project structure, making it easy to access them later. Now, within your project's code, you'll instantiate the Deepseek R1 model. This involves specifying the path to your downloaded model files and configuring any necessary parameters for its operation. Think of this as waking up the AI engine and telling it where to find its knowledge. With the model loaded, you can now start sending prompts. This is where the magic happens. You'll write code that takes user input or data from your application and formats it into a prompt suitable for the Deepseek R1 model. This could be for text generation, summarization, question answering, or even complex data analysis. The model will then process your prompt and return a response. Your code will then capture this output and integrate it back into your application. This might mean displaying generated text, populating a database, or triggering specific actions based on the AI's insights. Finally, consistently test and refine your integration. Experiment with different prompts, monitor the model's performance, and adjust your code to optimize the AI's contribution to your project. This iterative process will help you unlock the full potential of Deepseek R1 and build truly intelligent applications.